Hello and welcome back to Brand DevOps. I'm back again with another KodeKloud engineer tutorial. Today we are in Jenkins. Our scenario for today is the Nautilus DevOps team has recently set up a Jenkins server which they want to use for CI/CD jobs. Before that, we want to install some plugins which will be used in most of the jobs. Please find below more details about the task. Click on the Jenkins button at the top bar to access the Jenkins UI using the login, admin, and the password. Once logged in, install Git and GitLab plugins. Notice that you may need to restart Jenkins service to complete the plugins installation. If required, opt to restart Jenkins when installation is complete and no jobs are running. On plugin installation update page, i.e. update center. Note, after restarting the Jenkins server, wait for the Jenkins login page to reappear before proceeding. For tasks involving UI changes, anyway, let's go ahead and log into Jenkins and download Git and GitLab. So I'm just going to download save the password right here, and we'll click that link. And it's admin and password. Paste it. Log in. All right, so we go to Manage Jenkins, and we go to Plugins. And we can search, well, first we want to go to available, and we can search for Git and GitLab, and check both of those, and then we'll come over here, click install, let these install. Give this a couple more seconds. All right, finally the installation process is complete. So we'll go ahead and click this button right here, restart Jenkins when installation is complete, and the Jenkins will go ahead and restart. So I'm going to pause it here and I'll come back once the login screen has reappeared. All right, so that process is done. So let's go ahead and log back in. So it's admin. I'll paste this password again. All right, so we'll go to install plugins. And we'll look for Git. And as you can see, the Git plugin did install, but the GitLab plugin did not. So I'm going to try to reinstall the GitLab plugin by searching for it again in available plugins. So GitLab. I'm going to mark this and hit install. So let's give this a second. All right, cool. So everything is installed now. Let's go ahead and restart Jenkins again. All right, so we'll go ahead and log in one more time. And go to install it again. And we'll search for Git. And as you can see now, GitLab is installed. Git is installed, and we can go ahead and go back to KodeKloud and validate our task. All right, there you have it. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this one. I'll be back with more videos on Jenkins coming soon. So make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.